Imagine closing on a $20 million gold deal, only to find out the bars were tungsten-filled fakes. It's happened before, and it can happen again. In the world of high-value metals, authentication is not optional. It's survival. Today, we're diving into the essential physical testing methods for gold, silver, and PGMs. These are the frontline tools that can back your SKR claim and give your counterparties the confidence that you're not moving paper, you're moving verified metal. We'll cover the basics, the mid-level checks, and the professional tests you need to know before you even think about signing off on delivery. This video is about giving you a trusted framework, but remember, the full insider techniques, the deal-tested strategies buyers and sellers use to protect themselves, those are reserved for members only on tradeskr.com. So let's break it down. First, let's talk about the simplest methods, the quick checks that anyone can do on the spot. Think of weight, dimension, and magnet tests. A legitimate gold or silver bar should align perfectly with its published standard. Deviations, even small ones, are red flags. The magnet test? Simple, but incredibly effective for catching obvious fakes in silver. We've seen entire shipments stopped in their tracks because one quick magnet check exposed a fraud attempt. Second, we move into surface testing. Acid kits, scratch tests, even density checks in water. These are not perfect, but they give you another layer of defense. Remember, counterfeiters rely on you being lazy. Just stacking certificates without physical validation is a rookie mistake. Third, ultrasonic and XRF analysis. This is where things get serious. Ultrasonics reveal what's inside the bar, not just the surface. XRF scanners read the exact elemental composition. These tools cost more, but in deals where millions are at stake, they're not optional. One ultrasonic sweep can prevent a nightmare of legal disputes, lost reputation, and frozen capital. Now here's the real challenge: knowing which test to apply at which stage of the deal. Not every shipment justifies a full-scale lab test, but every shipment demands the right balance of checks. This is where experienced traders separate themselves from amateurs. They know how to build a layered verification process that keeps costs under control while ensuring no fake metal slips through. And that brings us to SKRS, safekeeping receipts. If you want your SKR to carry weight in the market, you can't just flash paperwork. It has to be backed by real, credible authentication. No serious counterparty will rely on a receipt unless the underlying assets have been tested and documented properly. That means independent lab verification, sealed reports, and auditable procedures. Without that, your SKR is just another piece of paper. So let's recap. Quick tests like magnet and weight checks catch the obvious fakes. Surface tests add another layer of confidence. Professional ultrasonic and XRF analysis seal the deal. But the real power lies in knowing how to combine them, document them, and back your SKR claim with verifiable evidence. Now, I know many of you want to see the actual insider playbook, how to structure your authentication protocol, which labs traders trust, and how to negotiate testing terms into your contracts. That's exactly what we'll be covering in the Insider Gated video on tradeskr.com. This gated session is not theory. It's a step-by-step walkthrough of the authentication strategies that protect real trades in 2025. If you're serious about trading gold, silver, or PGMs, you can't afford to miss it. So here's what to do. Subscribe to this channel right now, because later today, we're dropping even more content that ties directly into this series. And when you're ready for the full insider breakdown, go to tradeskr.com and watch the gated video. The counterfeiters are getting smarter. The deals are getting bigger. But with the right authentication methods, you can protect your capital, your reputation, and your future in this business. I'll see you in the insider breakdown, only on tradeskr.com.